Hi, welcome to Yarn Again. My name is Teresa and I appreciate you coming by. This is the My Yarn Challenge April 23, hosted by Lori over at the Armchair Chef. Her link will be down below. This is my mystery box of yarn that I received from Justine, and I wanted to share. There were a few candies in it. I gave those to my son because I'm trying not to eat the candy. But it was so nice and thoughtful. Thank you very much, Justine. These are the colors I got. I got some white. It looks like a 3. There is no label. It is soft. And I got an Ugo. How do you say it? I don't know if it's O. And it is recommended to be right side up. It's a 4-weight. Looks like a thin 4-weight. It recommends a 5mm hook, 100% acrylic, washable, dryable, no bleach, no ironing, and no circle. It's an empty circle. I can guarantee I won't do that. When you don't know what it is, you're not going to do it. It is 5 ounce, 250 yards. Made in Turkey and distributed by Karen Simply Soft Yarn Inspiration. I like the way they put the colors together. That's one of my hardest things, is to pick colors and put them together and make something. That's what I like about this challenge that Lori hosts, because you get the colors, you don't choose them. The person that sends them to you doesn't know you necessarily, and it is a mystery. And you have to make one thing with the item, the yarn, and then you send in your picture, or you put your picture on your channel, and then Lori puts them all together in a slideshow, and everybody votes on who's they like the best. Excuse me. And I believe she's using a wheel now, or contemplating using a wheel. I have not been a very good subscriber and watching all the videos. This is Universal Yarn, Bella Cash. Knit, relax, smile, and repeat. I'm sure I can crochet and smile and repeat because I am not a knitter. You can move closer so we could see it. That would be great. Yeah, there you go. Up. Sorry. It is 60% fine merino superwash wool, 30% nylon, 10% cashmere, giving it that soft, wonderful feeling. It is recommended a size 3.25 hook. Yay. And it is washable, dryable, no bleach, no iron, and a circle with an A in it. Do any of you know what a circle with any letter in is? This one has an A. There's one out there that has a P. This one has a nothing. This one has a nothing. Anyway, I'm wondering what the circles mean, because I can't say what it can and cannot do if I don't know what it stands for. So it says machine wash, cold, gentle, lay flat to dry. So I guess the stripe through the dryer means don't dry. And the company is the Universal Yarn. Universally Yarn. I'm going to get a picture here so you can get there's the website address. And this yarn was made in Turkey. I was given 3 balls of this yarn, of this color, and the one of the white cream, some candy, which I passed on to my son, and this oboe. I don't know what I'm making as of yet, but we shall see. I will update you in a video, hashtag my yarn challenge 423 with Armchair Chef Lori. If you want to join from May, all you have to do is go over to Armchair Chef's channel, which will be linked down below, and let her know you want to join. The more the merrier, and that way we can all have fun in making our craft together. And at the end of the challenge, Lori does the slideshow, if I haven't mentioned it before, so we can all see what each other made and get some inspiration and ideas and go, ooh, because there's a lot of those I'll never even try to make. There's so many talented people. And if you are a subscriber, thank you for coming back. If you're not a subscriber, please think about doing so. And if you could please leave this video a thumbs up, it does help my channel. And share it if you are inclined or think somebody might want to join the challenge. All the links will be down below for Lori. And I appreciate you stopping by again. And have a great day.